Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. Another one of my favorite pianos, Mason Hamlin Model A. Boy, we have a lot of these coming and going because they're such rich, rewarding pianos for their size, and this is no exception. Actually, this is an exception in some important regards you're going to hear about in just a minute. But first, let's have some music, and I'll tell you all about this specific piano, what makes it so special. We're going to start off with the third movement of Bach's Toccata in E minor. What a warm, fat sound this piano has. I didn't even realize just how nice this piano was because the first thing I did was I came and I checked it meticulously, playing all the notes, listening for damper issues, make sure the tuning, no unisons were out, listening to the evenness of the tone from note to note, a very analytical kind of thing. But then I had somebody who wanted to see our pianos, and I showed them like a whole bunch of pianos and Bechsteins and Steinways and Mason and Hamlins and Baldwin's, and then he had me play the same exact little excerpt on several of the pianos, and this was one of them. And it wasn't until I played that, a little bit of the slow movement of the Pathetique Sonata, that I realized, wow, this piano has a really special sound, which I didn't expect. 1966, all original, in amazing condition. Our technicians brought it to such a level. And, you know, everybody thinks of what the vintage ones, the really old ones, but this has got the sound, doesn't it? Listen to the Mozart. This is the K331, the Alla Turca Sonata. But this is, the first one is a theme and variations. I'm going to play a couple of the inner variations. such evenness and such a fat sound. Let's have some lists now to get to the romantic aesthetic. This is just a little excerpt of the 30-minute Liszt Sonata in B minor, a little middle section. That's gorgeous music, and a joy to play on this Mason and Hamlin. Free delivery anywhere in the continental U.S. You know the drill. I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching LivingPianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.